Hello guys, it's Mr. Science here, and in this video I'm gonna show you I'm gonna tell you why do we actually snore. Do you know why do we snore? If no, watch this video. We actually snore when our air can't move through nose and throat. That vibration makes the sound of snoring. The most easiest way to prevent snoring is to lose your weight. By losing weight of your neck will prevent snore because it will be easy to move air. You can also clean your nasal passages because it will not block the air you inhale. So make sure your nasal passages are open. Thank you.